Good morning, good morning, kindergarten. Happy Friday. We made it to Friday. All right, so let's turn the math books to page 99. Page 99. Let's look at number one. Number one wants you to add, okay? So take your time when you're adding those problems. Let's move on to number two. Number two wants us to write the number that comes before. So we have countless times to practice and over this, so we should have an idea of it, okay? So I start with 10. What number comes before, not after? What number comes before 10? 9. Awesome. Number 9. Let's look at 7. What number comes before 7? What number? 6. All right. Let's go over to 15. Now, this has to be a number in the teen family. What number comes before 15? What number do you think? Would it be 16? No, not 16. 14. And lastly, the last example, what number comes before 13? What number? 12. Good job. So that's how you solve the problem for number 2. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3 asks us, what time is it? So let's look at the time. First, look at the hour hand. This is the hour hand. What number is the hour hand pointing to? What number is that? That is indeed 1. Now, the minute hand's at 6, excuse me. So you start at 1, you count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Awesome. So that current time is 1:30. So remember, it's that simple to basically figure out the time. First, look at the hour hand, and then you can go to the minute hand. Good job. Now, as we move on to number 4, it wants us to draw the nickels you need to buy the toy plane. So I put an example on the board, and this item is worth 30 cents. So you have to figure out how many nickels you need to draw to equal 30 cents. A nickel, as you remember, is worth 5. Nickels, you're counting by 5. It's worth 5 cents. So let's begin. We're going to count by 5s, okay? So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How many nickels did I draw? I drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is how you solve number 4. You basically count by 5s to equal to that given amount. Now, as we flip the page over to page 100, you look at number 1. All it asks you to add. And let's look at now number 2. Number 2 wants you to write by 10s to 100. So let's count by 10s. Are you ready? Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job, good job, good job. So what you're going to do for number 2, you simply count by 10s up to 100. But now let's look at number 3. Number 3 wants us to circle how many cents. So we have 6 cents, 30 cents, and 60 cents. So you have to count the pennies. You're given pennies that are worth 1 cent. You'll count them, and that will tell you how much they are worth. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will circle 6 cents. So you will do the same for the next problem. Remember, that is a nickel. So nickels, you are counting by 5 because they are worth 5 cents.